What if I told you that everything you see, feel, and experience is part of something much bigger? Welcome to the universe, a realm that encompasses all of space, matter, energy, and even time itself. Yes, that includes you. Picture this: Earth, our home planet, along with the Moon, the planets in our solar system, and their numerous moons, are all part of the universe. The Sun shines brightly as one among hundreds of billions of stars that make up the Milky Way galaxy. And within this vast galaxy, countless stars host their own planets, known as exoplanets. But here's something mind-boggling: the Milky Way is only one of billions of galaxies. Each galaxy is believed to have a supermassive black hole at its center. So, all the stars, galaxies, and things we can't even observe make up what we call the universe. Essentially, it's everything that exists. Now, let's get personal. No matter where you are, outer space is just 62 miles, about 100 kilometers, above your head. Whether you're nestled inside your home or catching some rays outside, space isn't that far away. Surrounded by it, you might not even realize that you're technically in space right now. Earth is a planet in space and a part of the universe, just like every other planet out there. Despite its welcoming environment for life, Earth is a fragile outpost amid a largely hostile universe. Now, let's pause for a moment to reflect on time. Earth may seem eternal, but in the vast history of the universe, it's fleeting. Interestingly, our planet wasn't even around for nearly 2/3 of the universe's timeline. And looking ahead, Earth won't last forever. In a few billion years, the Sun will expand and may engulf our planet. As for when Earth came into being, scientists deduced that it formed about 4.6 billion years ago, by studying isotopes on Earth and in asteroids. But what about the universe itself? How old is it? Based on measurements of the oldest stars and the expansion rate of the universe, scientists believe the universe is approximately 13.8 billion years old. This information comes from observing the Doppler shift, a phenomenon that shows galaxies moving away from us, with the speed increasing the farther they are. It's as if the universe is stretching out. But there's a mystery here: we don't completely understand why galaxies are speeding up instead of slowing down. If this trend continues, there will be a time when distant galaxies will be invisible from our planet. Imagine this: everything in the universe, including energy and space, was once highly compacted. Last Saturday, for instance, it was more compressed than today. This compression happened long ago, before galaxies formed or stars ignited. Back then, everything was so condensed and hot that atoms couldn't fully form. Everything we know, our stars, galaxies, and even the fabric of space, originated from one single point. Now, while it might be tempting to visualize a journey to the origin point of the universe, understand that it's not a location you can visit. The universe didn't begin in a space where an explosion took place. Instead, before the Big Bang, neither space nor time existed. Time itself began with the Big Bang, and as it expanded, so did space, evolving into the vast universe we see today. So, next time you gaze up at the stars or ponder our existence, remember that you're looking at a small part of a grand and expansive universe, one that is still full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. The universe is a vast tapestry woven from the energy and matter that surround us. At its simplest level, it begins with hydrogen atoms, the fundamental building blocks of everything from dust particles to magnificent stars. When individual atoms come together, they form molecules, leading to more complex structures, like asteroids and ultimately, stars, which are born from immense clouds of hydrogen and helium. As we categorize the endless collections of matter, we recognize our home galaxy, the Milky Way, boasts at least 100 billion stars, while the observable universe teems with an astonishing 100 billion galaxies. If every galaxy were uniform in size, we'd be looking at an unfathomable 10 sextillion stars. As technology advances, the universe still holds countless secrets, much remaining to be uncovered. With our relatively brief existence in cosmic history, we are only at the beginning of a grand journey into the unknown. So, as you go about your day, remember this: you are a part of the universe, and the universe is a part of you. Our journey has only begun, and who knows what incredible discoveries lie ahead. Keep looking up, and never stop asking questions. The universe is waiting. If you enjoy the journey, please like and subscribe for more interesting stories.